YouTube, what's good? You already know what's going on. Back at it with another banger, you dig? But basically, as you can see the shirt, Valvetronic. One might ask, what is Valvetronic? Let's get straight to it. Alright, so basically, I got Valvetronic Mufflers. Let me show you under the car real quick.
God damn, bro, this
As
nigga
you can
old
see,
as a mug.
These new mufflers, Valvetronic. They're using this vacuum technology. Got that wired up or hosed up all the way to the inside the trunk, and open the trunk. It's right under here, under all this. I'm not gonna open it, but it's like a little red box in there. Got it. And basically what this does is it allows me to have the fun of having basically no mufflers, and at times when I want, as a click of a button, we go muffler mode. Obviously quiets down. I mean, I'm not sure if y'all heard this car, but without mufflers, it had the catless downpipes. It was just a single resonator and no mufflers. Very, very bad for the economy. And I mean, not the economy, I mean, let's just say very bad for my fellow neighbors. Obviously, I felt bad for them every morning starting this car. Hassle. So basically, got this shit. I said, I want to keep my car loud, but at the same time, I want to be able to control it. So anyone in that certain predicament, the same shit I was in, get yourself Valvetronic. Let me just, without further ado, I'm in the passenger seat, give me a second. Basically, turn it on. I'll show you guys. So inside the cabin, it just sounds much better. The noise is much, I could deal with it. Right now, I think we got the valves closed. I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not, but the valves are closed. And if I take it open with the click of the button, it is much noticeable. I mean, man, let me just set this down. Give y'all a quick stage 2+ tune. Shit. I mean, y'all notice the difference. I'm very pleased with the product. Shout out to Valvetronic. And yeah, got the shirt. They gave me a black license plate. They gave me the battery for the remote. What else? Nice little keychain thing or whatever. Sticker as well. So shout out Valvetronic. Like I said, if you want the best of both worlds, go ahead, get yourself that. You're gonna love it. Your neighbors will love it. You'll love it. You know what I'm saying? It's a win-win for everyone. But other than that, I hope y'all enjoyed. What else can I say? Been slacking like usual, but obviously we're gonna hop in our bag. I got some ideas. We just gotta make those ideas come to reality. But other than that, thanks for tuning in, and catch y'all on the flip.